Sometimes I'd rather not read a web page, but I'd rather have a text-to-speech program say it aloud for me.
Traumatic brain injury recovery.
There are several Chrome browser extensions that can be installed to do that job. One of those is called Voice Instead, and I've installed it after reading some positive reviews. It's free. It has a free basic version, and there's a paid version for $2.99 a year, which gives more options, including probably a better speech engine. But let's give this a go. I've installed it, and we'll go to a web page and then select some text. This is an article I wrote, and we'll select a paragraph. Right-click on the mouse, choose Voice Instead, left-click on that, and we'll hear it.
I believe that TBI is best viewed from a biological, psychological, social perspective. Injury occurs to a person with a particular physical status, particular life experiences and coping style, and particular current relationships with individuals and organizations.
Let's say that voice was fair. It wasn't as robotic as some, but I don't think it's as good as Amazon Polly, which I'm not allowed to use in the free version. I've used Amazon Polly before, and I find it very lifelike, and I'd recommend it to you. So, we've taken this for a spin, and perhaps you'll find it useful.
Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video.